to Toddlers Art Hub. Hey there, budding artists! Welcome back to our Creative Corner. Today, we have a fantastic session lined up for all you beginners out there. We'll be drawing and coloring some delightful fruits: apple, strawberry, grapes, banana, and pear. Are you ready to have a fruity blast? Let's get started. To begin, grab your trusty pencil and a fresh sheet of paper. We'll start with the classic apple. Just like that. A simple circle with a small line at the top for the stem. Easy, right? Now, let's add a leaf and a little base for our apple. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Art is all about expressing yourself. Time to add some color. Apples are typically red or green. What's your favorite color for an apple? I'm going for red today. Remember to color gently and stay within the lines. Voila! Our apple looks juicy and delicious. Next up, let's draw a lovely strawberry. Start with a heart shape and then add some tiny seeds on the surface. Great job! Now, let's color it. Strawberries are red, but some are ripe and ready to eat. Moving on to grapes. They come in bunches. Just like this. Some small circles grouped together. Time to color them in. Purple grapes are so sweet. Feel free to add some green for the stems. Let's draw a cheerful banana now. It's like drawing a gentle curve. Easy peasy. Time to add some color. Bananas are sunny yellow. They brighten up any drawing. Last but not least, the pear. It's like drawing a rounded teardrop. Now, let's make it colorful. Pears have a beautiful gradient of green. And there you have it, our delightful collection of drawn and colored fruits. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Remember, art is all about practice and creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and styles. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.